Hi. In this video I'll show you how to change the language of Windows 10 to your preferred language. So without no waiting, let's get started. Go to Start menu. Settings. Time and language. Language. Under Windows Display Language, click on the drop-down menu and select your preferred language. As you can see, I only have English and Nederlands in my list. In a moment I will show you how to add additional languages. But for now let me show you how to add a language from this list. Right now I have English as my default language. Now I will select Nederlands as the default language. Windows will ask you to sign out. Sign out, then sign in back. As you can see, my default language is now Nederlands. Now I'll show you how to add additional languages in the list. You will require an internet connection to do this. Go back to the Language Settings windows. As you can see, there is only English and Nederlands in the list. Now I'll add Spanish. Click on the plus sign next to Add Preferred Languages. Then in the search box, start typing in the name of the language you would like to add to the list. Once you've found the language you'd like, select it, then click on Next. Then on Install. Your language has been installed. As you can see, it's been added to the list. Select it, sign out and sign in back. You now have your preferred language as default language. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.